Prevent the N error from text split by using the pad width. Do a trim with text split by using ignore empty. All right, so we have this new text split function. I'm going to split this into columns at each space and into rows at each period. But there's some problems. All right, first off, the data coming in has space occasionally, and those space are showing up as empty cells. To prevent those empty cells, we use the fourth argument, which is called ignore empty. Put a true there, and anytime there's a space, it will be seen as an empty cell and will ignore empties, and so we get rid of the spaces. But we still have this problem that some sentences are longer and other sentences are shorter, and Excel is filling the empty cells at the right-hand side with NA. So what we're going to do out here is use the thing called pad width, just with quote out there, and at least it will look better. Well, hey, I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another Netcast from Mr. Excel.